The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
2 weeks ago, the collection was $200 and something on a Sunday morning right here in Soufrière. We should be ashamed of ourselves. We should be ashamed of ourselves. $200 and something at a Sunday morning mass collection. Are you telling me that the Lord has not blessed you? Are you telling me?
He give people their money to put down. I sign this. A record. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I'm presenting these videos to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also let me know what you think about these videos and to also keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, I just presented to you a video that is out on social media where it is said that the video shows a person talking about offering collections within a church. You see it? Some places on social media it is said that the person is a preacher. Some places on social media it is said that the person is a pastor. I take a look at the video, viewers and subscribers, and I'm wondering if this video shows something that happened for real or if it is just an act. You see me? Because I know some of the times you have persons who will, make videos for entertainment purposes or for likes and views on social media. So I'm wondering if this video is actually of something that happened for real or if it is an act. You see me? I'm not so sure what to think about this video, but you, my viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about this video. You can let me know if you think if it is an act or if it is real or what. Alright? And with that, I'm going to move on to other videos. You see? Now, I'm going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that shows a motor vehicle that somehow ended up into the sea somewhere within the country of Jamaica. According to what had been said about these two pieces of videos on social media, it is said that these two pieces of videos had been recorded on the 7th of December the year 2020. Now, some places on social media, it is said that the motor vehicle being driven by a person went off-road and ended up into the sea, and some places on social media it is said that the motor vehicle being driven by a person went off a pier and ended up into the sea. You see me? But anyways, I'm going to present these two pieces of videos to you so that you can have a look at them and you can also tell me what you think. Alright? Now, before I present these two pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these two pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here are the two pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yo! Up the driver, up there. Anything else you want from the show me, man!
Oh wait, the drone from where is it supposed to?
No.
Where?
Off of the pier.
Off of the pier?
Yeah, it's my last night.
Hey darling. My last night?
Yeah.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I have no confirmed information as to if anyone had been injured or if there's any fatalities. You see me? I have no confirmed information as to how the incident happened. You see me? But however, the incident is being talked about on social media, and these two pieces of videos are being talked about on social media. So I'm going to present these two pieces of videos to you so that you can also look at them and tell me what you think. Alright? Now, I'm going to move on to another video. You see it? And this video that I'm going to present to you made news within the country of Jamaica. You see it? Yeah, this video has been shown in a news segment within the country of Jamaica. Alright? According to what had been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows how a person stole something from a person. Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to when this incident happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to where this incident happened. But however, this video is being talked about on social media and I'm going to present this video to you. But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. Viewers and subscribers, yes, when it comes down to some holiday seasons, not all holiday seasons, some holiday seasons, crime and violence and robberies seems to spike within those times. You see me? Not all holiday seasons, but some. You see me? I said to you, viewers and subscribers, be careful out there. You understand? Be careful, whether it be the holiday seasons or not. Just be careful, alright? Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to move on to another video. I don't have much information about the video that I just presented to you, so I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person revving a motorcycle. Right? This video is going to show a person revving a motorcycle, like Now, what the person did in the video by revving the motorcycle seems to annoy a person shown in this video. Yes, what I said to you? Some places on social media, it is said that the person was teasing a person. And some places on social media, it is said that the person was annoying a person. You see me? I'm going to present this video to you and then we'll talk a little bit more about this video, alright? But before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. I don't think it is right to deliberately annoy someone, you see me? And I don't think it is right for a person or persons to tease someone and take it for a joke when the person seems to don't like it. I don't think so. But however, I do not think it is right for the person to attack a person because the person is doing something that they don't like. No, I don't think it is right and I don't think you have the right to do so. No, I don't think so, alright? So if someone doing something you don't like, walk away or move from beside the person. See me? Avoid bad things. You see me I said to you? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, there are more videos that I could talk to you about, you see? But some of the videos I don't find really suitable to talk about, you see me? I rather talk about certain type of videos, you know? Like a video that shows a person who is said to be a police officer, right? And you hear someone talking in the background of the video saying some things that gave me the understanding that the person is saying that fitness should be mandatory in a police force. You see me I say? Take a look and listen to this video for yourself.
Right now, fitness should be made mandatory in the police force, Rasta.
So may I say? Yeah, so you see the video, right? But it's so nice that little small video clip. I mean, hear what the person in the background of the video said. I said to myself, you know what? Don't judge a book by the cover. You see me? Have you ever heard about a person when named Biggerford? You ever heard about the person known as Biggerford? At the time when me hear and know the person, he was a police officer within the country of Jamaica. I don't know if he's still a police officer or not. You see me I say? With that, you know, I'm going to wrap this thing up right now. Yes, I say, yeah. I want to give a shout out to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. You see, I want to give a shout out to Ryan Humphrey. You see, I want to give a shout out to Lucy Cope. You see me? I hope I pronunciate the name right. You see me? Yeah, but Lucy, big up yourself. I want to give a shout out to Lucita. You see me? Pally girl. Ray Spence, big up yourself. You see? I want to give a shout out to Tafari Francis, big up yourself. You see? Yeah. I want to give a shout out to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers. I might not be able to remember each and every one of you names off the top of my head, but I just want to let you know that Dancehall Skilla say big up, and you don't know me there, so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright. So you can let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. I saw these videos on social media, so I bring them to you so that you can have a look at them. You can also tell me what you think. Yeah. And yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.